everyone, this is Priyanka from Zricks.com, and today I am at the location itself, which is Birla Navya. It's a project by Birla Estate which was started by Kumar Mangalam Birla. Now he has immensely contributed in all the projects that he has built in Bangalore, Bombay, and now finally they are in Delhi. They have both residential and commercial projects in Bangalore and Bombay, and in Delhi they have started with a residential project. So all those who are looking out for new properties and they want to build a new home for themselves, I think this is a very good opportunity for all of you to check out. So it's located in Gurgaon Sector 63 Golf Course Extension. I hope all the people who live in Gurgaon or in Delhi must know about this place, and above all they have so many unique aspects about this project, which starts itself from the wide road, which is a 60-meter wide road, and then which connects you towards the service lane, which is 12-meter wide road. If you talk about the apartments that they have to offer, or the facade and the complete building, each building or each plot has 4 floors, and then which comes with a basement, a terrace and a stilt parking. So that is there. Another part about is that the whole acre land, or this is a project which is a township, and the complete project is of 47.54 acres. If you talk about the amenities that are all unique here and very important, some of them are gym, which are world class. You must go and check out those whenever you visit the property. And then they also have lounge area, they have terrace, they have stilt parking, which I've already mentioned. They also have a very unique facility which is pet parks, which I don't think a lot of projects offer. And mostly there are parks which are combined, but they have a separate pet park. Another thing is that for people who are workaholics, these residential places also offer a small space for them, like a co-working space, so you can utilize them for your small meetings. They also have huge parks for sport lovers. They have indoor games, outdoor games. They also have an amphitheater, so for those who love to sit out and enjoy with family, they can enjoy in the amphitheater and the whole environment. They also have music room, which is very unique. They have almost all the amenities that you can think of. Well, Birla Navya is said to be the first green township in Gurugram with IGBC Gold 3 certification. The surroundings are just lush green. The environment is also very refreshing and there's a lot of greenery outside. And now let me take you towards the sample apartment, the most awaited part of the video. So I'm standing outside the low-rise building by Birla Navya, and before I take you inside the lobby, let me just first tell you about the stilt parking. So there can be 10 cars parked here, so that's how it looks like. And there's a lot of green area also, so it gives you a very fresh feel. So just so you know, this is the sample building which is built from the scratch, and this is not the real one that you will get with the possession. Of course, you will get the better one. So let's go inside. So this is how the lobby looks like. Another part about the lobby is that there are 2 different buildings. This is another one and this is another one. They are not a similar building, but they are connected by the lobby itself. So this is the lift or the elevator for another building, and this is the elevator for another one. These are the staircases that connect you towards all the apartments as well as the terrace. So let's go upstairs and let me first showcase you the sample apartment, which is a 3 BHK apartment. So let's go upstairs. So I'm standing outside the 3 BHK sample flat. The configuration of this flat is 1261 square feet. We have the lift and the staircases both very close to the flat. So let's just go inside and check out the apartment. Once you enter the apartment, you have a foyer space. So this way nobody can peek in directly inside the living area or the guest bedroom, because the guest bedroom is the first bedroom in the apartment. Before I take you to the guest bedroom, I think it's better I showcase you the living and the dining area first. So this is the living area which is connected to the balcony. That balcony actually connects you to the guest bedroom and the master bedroom, which I will showcase to you later. And another good part about this apartment is that they have big French windows. This way, a lot of natural lighting is gonna hit inside the apartment and you will always feel refreshed. It's a big enough balcony. Here you can have your sitting arrangements done, you can have your plantations depending on your mood and depending on what kind of decoration do you like in your apartment. And opposite to the living area, we have the dining area. The dining area is also very beautifully designed because it also connects you to another balcony, a smaller one. It's smaller than the utility balcony. There's a lot of sunlight, so the direction of this house and the direction of the sun is just perfect for people who are going to live here. Now let's move towards the guest bedroom now. So this one is the guest bedroom. Let's go inside. Quite spacious for the guest. They can have their wardrobe on this side, and on the other hand they can have their TV setup, or just can have the tables for their showpieces or whatever is required for them. So this is a quite spacious place. On the other hand, we also have the attached washroom. Here's the washroom that comes with a separate shower space, the vanity and the toilet seat. So that's quite good. There's also a window for ventilation. Then comes the attached balcony. Every room in this house has an attached balcony. Again, like I said before, this is the same balcony that I showed you that was attached to the living room, and that one is the master bedroom that I will showcase to you later. Another thing about this apartment is that when you take the possession, you will get the VRF air conditioning in the complete apartment. So this one is the modular kitchen. The setup you will get as it is. You will get the modular setup, the countertop, the shelves, everything will come as it is except the fridge and the washing machine that you won't get, but the design is going to be as it is. Then we have the utility balcony, of course. You will see there's a lot of sun rays coming inside the house, so that's amazing. Every balcony has that spectacular part about it. Now let's go towards the children's bedroom. The children's bedroom has a common washroom. So the common washroom, of course, can be utilized by the people sitting in the living area or by your guests. Again, it has the shower space, toilet seat and the vanity, and a window for ventilation. This one is the children's bedroom, or whosoever wants to utilize it depending on the size of your family. Again, on this side you can have your wardrobe. Then you can also have side tables on both the sides of the bed because it's big enough for that. On the other hand, you can have your TV setup, or you can also have your study table if it is going to be the children's bedroom. Again, the best part is the balcony. This is also a big enough balcony where you can have your small sitting arrangement done, and then you can enjoy the view. Since it's a sample apartment, you won't get the same view, so the view can be a bit different or from a different angle. Moving towards the master bedroom now. The master bedroom comes with a little bit foyer space and a walk-in wardrobe. So let me first showcase you the setup. The master bedroom is big enough. It has big French windows, so the room looks bigger than it is. The attached balcony that I've already showcased you. Then we have the TV setup over here, and then the AC which will come along with the possession. So this is the walk-in wardrobe area. You will get this as it is, and the attached washroom. So in the master bedroom washroom, you have a separate shower area along that is separating the washroom with a glass, and the toilet seat. Enough space for your vanity and the vanity area, of course, for your makeup and everything. There's enough space. Now this was the complete tour of the 3 BHK sample apartment. Now let me take you towards the fun part. Well, I am outside the terrace, and talking about the fun part, which is if you take the possession of the 4th floor, this is what you'll get. Only the people who will be having the possession of the 4th floor will have the access to the terrace. You must be having all the ideas what you can do with this terrace. You can not just have the parties and everything, but you can also have buffet system here. So you can arrange a small breakfast for your friends and family, and you can enjoy, or you can have your nightlife parties. If you are a house partying person, then this is honestly the best place for you. So let's go downstairs and see what's exciting is in the basement. So that's your elevator area, and there are 2 entrances towards the basement. This is the main entrance, and this is the entrance where if you'll go from here, you will get the sunken first, then you can go inside. First is again the foyer space, and then comes the huge basement. Here you can have so many functions I can't even count, or I can't even imagine. Maybe you can have your Sangeet ceremonies here, you can have your dance performances here. I think almost all the functions of your wedding, all the small functions can be done here. If you are a creative person, this is an amazing space to utilize for yourself. If you love sun, then this is another USP of this apartment. So here you can have your sitting arrangement done and you can just enjoy the sun. If you love rain, maybe your children can come here and just enjoy the rain also. That was the exit or the entry depending where you want to come from. And this was a complete tour of the project Birla Navya and the sample apartment, and I hope you like it. If there are any other questions or queries in your mind, please feel free to contact us on the below mentioned number and we will help you out. Thank you. And if you also want to showcase your property on Zricks.com, please feel free to contact us on the below mentioned number and we will get in touch with you. Thank you.